Good morning, everybody. It's the 26th of October, 2016, and I'm here on Google Earth again, and was checking out this weather pattern. I already had this picture of Mare Oriental, but I had it over North America, and I was just looking at this pattern right here, and I thought to myself, that's probably Mare Oriental basin pattern right there. So I just threw it up there real quick, just simple, real fast. I threw it up there. Watch. I just lined up this curve, basically. This is all I aligned, and everything else just fell into place on its own, just like this. Watch. Look at the weather. Watch this little point to the left on the left side. See that little point on the left side? See that? And then look at the curve where I put the curve right here. You see the curve on Mare Oriental? Watch. It's important. This is the most important crater, I think, is Mare Oriental. It just fits everywhere on the Earth. I mean, they're all important, I guess. I might have it a little bit too. Nah, that's perfect. It's just fine. But anyways, I want to show you the slide that I talk about all the time. How the moon was connected with the Earth, either physically or through magnetism in space or whatever at a distance. But you see how it's got the print here. It's got a pattern where it stops right here. It looks like it stopped here, and it's got this slide patterns. Look at this slide. Look at this. All the way from up here. Stopped here. It looks like it stopped right there, and it stopped right here, I think. Right there. See that spot? And a slide all the way over to here. Maybe it stopped right there, but it don't look like it. I mean, that's the slide I talk about. It either did that physically, like being connected to the Earth, and was here and then slid here, or it was here and it slid there. One of the two. I think it lets go at the pole or at the equator. I think it connects to the pole, is attracted to the pole, hits the pole, and then eventually slides down towards the equator when it gets its balance, or gets its equilibrium back or whatever, and then it separates at the equator somewhere down by the equator, possibly. Or it hits at this, because it's got this big print here. This is the deepest place on Earth. It could have hit right here, and then because this was the pole at one time. This area was the pole, or this area, I mean, right here was a pole at one time, and we can clearly see that by the lunar south pole pattern right here. The lunar south pole pattern shows right here, right now, at this very moment. There's Schrodinger in the Bay of Bengal. This is the rest of the lunar south pole pattern backwards over the Earth in the weather. Well, we have Mare Oriental. No question about it. There's no question that's the same thing. Look, they changed it. I think they changed it on us. Yes, they did. They did change it. See that point where the point was? Look at it. It's not as defined, but you still see, since they changed the weather, it still fits. It's still there. I'm glad I got that in time. I'm glad I made this video in time for you to see that, how that fit before they changed it. Really am. That was good. Because the whole trail is different now. See that? The whole trail is different. The whole thing updated. But we have you can still see a stop here. It looks like something here. But that's what that is, people. That's every day. This print is on the Earth every day, all over the place. And that's how they cover it up when they just changed the weather on me right in the middle of the video. So anyways, have a good day. I just want to show that. Think of it what you will. Think I'm nuts. Think of whatever. Still, have a good day. Appreciate you watching.